Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars .com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have one of my favorite Chevelles, a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Real super sport car, decoded by the 138 VIN number on this particular vehicle. But this car has been modified. It's got a big block 454 in it, lots of goodies under the hood, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes, 12-bolt dual exhaust, beautiful interior, nice paint on the exterior of the car. All around, as you can see, it's upgraded with the wheel and tire package. You see the big brakes in the front and the big brakes in the back. Tinted windows, side quarter windows right there. That's what the 66 were known for as well. The little original setup that claims, hey, I'm a 66, right? The guys can really tell, because sometimes the 6.6s and the 6.7s can get a little bit crossed over, but there are a few signs that that can tell the difference, and that's really one of them if you're walking up to a car. Tinted windows, looks great. Chrome bumpers, chrome front and back bumpers are in great condition. Tail lenses are good, back panel is good. Again, just a really sharp car. It's how do I rate this thing? Let's just call it an 8 out of a 10. It's a great driver, strong, lots of power. It's probably pushing out over 500 horse. Don't quote me. Don't hold me to that if you buy the car, but it's somewhere around there. Glass is nice all around. Not perfect, right? But it's not brand new, but it's nice. Let's check out under the hood real quick. I'm going to pop this open. I want you guys to check out the, let's see here. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, hold on. All right, here we go. You got the built 454, bored and stroked over 30, headers, Edelbrock aluminum intake, 4-barrel carb, chrome alternator, aluminum radiator, Optima battery, really clean core support, nice and clean. New power booster there with the master cylinder for the 4-wheel. You got chrome power steering there in the bottom. You have an aluminum water pump right in front of you there. Just nice clean firewall, 138 VIN on both. You got the argent colored latch here, which is probably, that's how it came in 1966. So looks sharp. It's got a really big tire in the back. It's not pro streeted or anything. It's not cut up, but it needs that tire to hook this car with this big motor in it. Okay, so let's check out the interior real quick. Before that, I want to show you, doors are original to the car. Factory welds here, pinch welds, no Bondo. Beautiful door panels, nice bucket seat console, 4-speed car. Inner and outer jambs are really nice and clean. New door sill plates, back seats, all intact there with the package tray, tight headliner. Just a nice clean setup on the car. You got the velocity setup gauges there. Here, let me get that clear picture, clear video there. As you can see, less than 300 miles since installed. Yes, radio does function. 4-speed console, dash pad is excellent condition, guys. Let's fire this baby up. I want you guys to hear it. It does have a 12-bolt rear end in it as well. Before I fire up the car, I want to show you guys how clean the trunk is. Okay, very clean. It shows original stampings here from GM. So factory quarter. Passenger side, same thing. Factory stamps right there for the quarter. And the car is solid. You got your original doors, original quarters, fenders, beautiful trunk lid there, and just a rock solid trunk. Now I can fire it up. All right. Well, folks, there you have it. My 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS real 138 Super Sport model here with an engine on steroids. You got the 454 with some headers and some nice bolt-on goodies under the hood. The four-wheel disc, the 4-speed, the 12-bolt, tinted windows, beautiful paint, ready to go. If you guys need financing, you will need $6,000 down with good credit, okay? You can roll in your financing, you can roll in your taxes, you can roll in your delivery cost, you can roll in everything if you wanted to. So again, keep this in mind, good credit, $6,000 down here at MGMClassicCars.com. We have over 180 beautiful cars hand-picked throughout the country and brought over to 2 showrooms, all indoor. We welcome you also to come on by. Come on by and check us out. 2 large indoor showrooms, about 180 cars available. We do own the car, and we put our money where our mouth is, guys. So if you need delivery, send me a text message or call me. I prefer text, though. Your zip code, and I'll get you a quote delivered right to your driveway. Keep that in mind. Get a pen handy. If you need financing, please go to my website at mgmclassiccars.com. And keep this in mind, before you fill out the credit application, please shoot me a text and ask someone if this car is still available. And if this car is available, please go ahead and fill it out. Give me a call and put a deposit on the car real quick. Now listen, if you guys get denied for the financing, I'll return your deposit. Not a problem. Okay, so keep that in mind. Again, my name is Thomas. My number is 847-848-1850. You can call me or text me anytime. Thank you for watching. Talk soon. Bye-bye.